I'm Jay-Z.
I'm Daniel.
This is Just Might DIY.
We stuck it to you last time. We're going to stick it to you again.
But this time we're going to stick it to you with two different ways to make holographic stickers.
We have the printable vinyl holographic sticker paper and the holographic cold laminate film.
Within these two, the printable and the laminate, there's actually several different holographic patterns. Thank you so much to Bleidruck for sponsoring this video and providing us these amazing materials. We have been so excited to work with them and have a lot to show you.
So stick around, see how it does.
There you go.
Let's start with the holographic laminate. We're going to open Bleidruck's paper and see that there are 4 different kinds. We have broken glass, star, sparkle, clear hollow. It says it's UV resistant, waterproof, tear resistant, and premium adhesion. So we have broken glass, we have clear hollow, we have Jay-Z's favorite, stars.
Yes.
But I like the sparkle.
The sparkle is pretty sparkly.
And what we're going to laminate this over is a premium vinyl sticker paper. This is just glossy white. Ta-da.
We do need some designs to use, and so we went to design bundles. We could not pick which ones we wanted to use, so we actually used designs from all 4 of these. We'll link everything down below. But in the meantime, we will show you how to import something into Cricut Design Space. You go to that import button, and then we like to drag and drop. For print and cut, always select complex. Click next. These are already set up to be stickers, so they are perfect. We're just going to apply and continue. Name it and then save it as a print and cut image. Click that upload button and then you can just select it and import it to your canvas by clicking add to canvas. Make sure that your lock is locked to keep your proportions appropriate. We're going to make this one a little bit smaller just so we can see it and work with it. Now note, you can select multiple designs at one time, so we're going to grab everything that we're going to try to fit onto this one page, and we're going to grab a couple of extra, like a text SVG as well as a plain black one, because we're really curious of how all that works with the different sticker laminates and papers.
The plain black one is black plain.
It is. I just got that. Okay, very important for print and cut. You are limited to a certain size, so we recommend creating a square and sizing it to the size of the print and cut, which is 6.75 by 9.25. Take that, send it to the back of your canvas, and now you have something to design on top of. You can rearrange and resize and flip things around to make everything, or as many things as possible, fit. Now, if you do have a design that doesn't already have a white outline, don't forget you have that great offset feature. We just clicked offset, decided we wanted to try this at around 0.1. Clicked apply, the little outline will pop up. We click it over there on the right and then change that to white. And then one more step, we're going to grab both pieces and flatten those together so now they move as one. And that's how easy it is to create a white outline in Cricut Design Space. So now once we have everything designed the way that we thought it should be, we remove that black square. I'm going to select everything and flatten it. Flattening is so important when you're doing a print and cut. So now it's all one, and we're going to click make it. It'll send it to the mat. We'll click continue, and now it's time to send it to the printer. Note, we use system dialog so we can control quality settings, but note that when you press that, the window will pop up behind. Now, everything here prints on photo glossy paper, which is a best quality setting, and click print.
It's going to come out of our Epson EcoThank ET2760. This is a little sped up. It does take a bit longer than that, but here it is. The designs are already adorable. So we're measuring out inside the black lines so that we can cut a piece of, in this case, a clear holographic laminate down to the inside edges of the black lines.
You don't want to cover up that black line because that is what Cricut uses to sense where to print and cut, and anything that's super shiny is going to throw off your Cricut. We'll show you some comparisons a little later on that. But for now, we like to pull up the laminate just a little bit, pull up that one edge, use a felt tip squeegee, and push that down just like that.
We're going to burnish it down a couple more times just to see if we can work out any little air bubbles but you know, hey, look, it's already holographic and even more adorable.
They literally just keep getting more adorable throughout this process.
A light grip mat, we apply it down, we put a little bit of pressure behind that as well, not scrubbing on the laminate directly, and insert it into the Cricut.
Now we need to create some custom settings for this. So you go to Browse All Materials, click Manage Settings, scroll to the bottom, and click Add New Material. We're going to name this Holographic Laminate Stickers from Bleidruck, and click Save. Now, we did have to do a couple of test cuts on this, to be totally honest. We tried 315 with a 2-time cut first. For the age of our fine point blade, we actually needed 330 pressure, but just know that this depends on your blade. But it is a 2-time cut either way. So now we just got to find our material again, select it, and then we're ready to go because we've already loaded the mat.
So hit the go button, so hit the go button. It's going to take a look at all those black lines over and over again to make sure it understands where the alignment of the stickers to be cut are, and then it cuts.
So this does take, I would say, about 5 minutes or so to do the whole thing because we do have it on a 2-time cut. But as you can see, in a few minutes, definitely worth the wait.
So it's going to say it's done, it's going to slide it out. You're going to grab one of those stickers and make sure it peels free, or if it doesn't, you need to resend it before you eject it. It peeled free for us, and you get to adore it.
Because it's adorable.
So at first we actually peel out everything but the stickers, but in order to get the stickers off the mat without curving and damaging them, we actually curve the mat to free an edge and gently finesse them off the mat themselves.
And now we're going to show you all 4 different laminates. This is the clear hollow laminate, and it's just such a nice gentle sheen on top of our stickers. The broken glass is just like big chunks of glitter. It really did look so sparkly. The next one coming up is going to be the sparkle, Daniel's favorite.
Yay! Look, it does the macaroons beautiful.
And the ice cream cone.
Oh yeah, that one too.
And then the stars laminate, which is my favorite because you just get these great big sparkles that really surprise you on the design. So,
surprise!
Yay! Okay, now moving on to printing directly onto the holographic sticker paper.
Well, here we have it. There's 4 different kinds. Hollow, glitter, broken glass, and of course we've already used glossy white, so...
But it does come in the pack.
Yes. Here's your instructions. So we're going to give you a quick view. Broken glass, sparkle, still my favorite.
Glitter. It's called
glitter.
glitter.
Oops. And holographic. And white is still...
White. You can also get the package just the holographic. You can get 20 sheets in A4 size or 50 sheets in the 8.5 by 11 letter size.
So we are sending it through the printer. Again, same printer. It didn't have any problems, but we are giving it a chance to air dry.
Just for a few minutes. Now, something that we will point out is there are different inks you can use on these, a pigment ink and a dye ink. Ours has a dye ink, and that's important. You can see here, they all printed out great, but we are going to put a clear laminate on top of it. The instructions say if you have a pigment ink in your printer, you don't need to laminate on top with a clear to preserve the waterproofness, but we have that dye ink.
So we had to do the same thing, size the laminate inside the box, and now we're going to cover up the box with matte tape. We need to do this so that the reflectancy of the hologram doesn't mess with the Cricut's ability to see the black line and cut your stickers truly to shape rather than not.
Mm-hmm. Anytime you have a very shiny or sparkly paper, it's a good idea to matte out that black line. We will show you some comparisons because we didn't do this the first time that we cut these, and the cut definitely got a little bit off.
And you can see what the matte tape does there. and it allows the printer to cut it out correctly.
This is our comparison with the matte tape on the left, without the matte tape on the right, and you can see throughout several different designs how that outline got off. I mean, the cut did get off if we did not matte out that black line. So definitely have that matte tape on hand. But now we're going to show you the good cuts on all of them. This is the broken glass. And you can see you're still getting that sparkle, but you can tell that it's underneath the ink. We'll show you side-by-side comparisons with the dark versus the not, but same thing over here, super sparkly still, even with that ink on top.
And of course you have, here's the clear holographic. Again, you can see that it's shining, but
a little less than when you have a laminate on top. So here are the direct comparisons.
The laminate on the right, the not laminate on the left. You can see that the laminate has like a lot more reflectancy, especially through the design, where the not laminate is like, it's more sparkly on the edges.
But you still get the holographic effect, and it really depends on what effect you want for your designs. And as you can see with the black,
the not laminate has a lot more pop for the letters, or the plane in this case. And of course the laminate allows the plane to glitter. So it's a matter of what you're looking for, whether you want the black to stand out or just be awesome.
So here's everything all together. Now we have a ton of different stickers and love them all. After all of that, we are officially covered in stickers, but we had so much fun and love the way both the laminate and the printable holographic sticker paper worked.
We sure did. And if you did, then you should give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. If you had a favorite sticker, tell us what it was down in the comment line. And of course, know everything that we use to do this is listed in the description.
Also in the description are links to all of our social handles. Please connect with us across platforms. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to check out our blog at justmydiy.com. Thanks for watching. Ah!